Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So we're still battling with this zone. Nothing really to write home about. The one thing that did happen, as we mentioned yesterday, was this pin bar came into play. And let's just go have a look at what that is right now. So 3 hour, no real structure. Pin bars to the upside, pin bars to the downside. Nothing really indicating what's going on, but you can see the importance of the level we pulled back to. And you start seeing this on a lower time frame. So day is a level, but look at these gaps that are happening in the middle of the day. There's 1, 2, 3, and the bigger gap here is still open. You see we did try come back to it, but not closed. So that's 108,518. I'm not convinced that this is going to continue moving from here. I suspect it's going to come back and tidy up all these gaps sometime. We do have a crossover now of the moving averages, but we have been above and below the moving averages for a couple of days now. So yeah, I'm still not convinced that this is something you want to be trading just yet. We have, I'm just going to put level in and then we can talk through it now. So when you look at the 15-minute, look at these gaps. I mean, gap up, running through the day, then massive gap down, and now we're running to the upside. That is just big up, big down, big confusion. Stay away from it. As I said yesterday, don't even bother trying to jump in here. And what you do need to keep in the back of your mind is that we are at a pivotal point on the weekly. And we've been doing this for almost a year and a half now. You can see we had 2 years of trend, and now we've had a year and a half of just sideways price action. But if you look at the oscillators, they're pointing up. Look at the moving averages, they are starting to cross, they're coming close together, but we're still below the 150. We need to get above it, we need to find support there, and we need to get a fairly decent break to the upside and get moving before this is going to happen. I still anticipate something like that is going to happen shortly, as soon as we have confirmation on the interest rate cuts. Then you're going to see some fireworks here, a fairly decent move to the upside. So that's what we're waiting for, but I'm sitting on the sides at the moment. I'm not going to get involved with this chaos. There's just no structure anywhere, gaps everywhere. It's just it's deadly. It's just going to cost you money at the end of the day. So anyway, that's kind of my view. Stays the same as the last 2 weeks now, isn't it? Sit on the sides, wait for something better. Probably should actually start looking for a different currency pair that's trending, but we'll do some homework on the weekend and see what else there is. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.